Well, the new year is upon us, and it is that time of year that most of us start thinking about at least some healthy next steps we're going to take. Dare I say, make a resolution again? Probably most of you by this time in your life are burnt out on making resolutions, but let me just encourage you this year, rather than writing down an end result goal, such as lose 10, 20, 30 pounds, or save $50,000. Instead, write down some daily action steps that can move you toward that ultimate goal. We don't have total control over end results because life happens, right? And as we're trying to change habits and renew our thinking and so forth, we have our ups and downs. We have 2 steps forward and 1 step back, 3 steps forward and 1 step back. But if we focus on those daily actionable items, and start performing them more days than not, we are moving toward that goal. I have a life purpose statement that says, do the right things for the right reasons and trust God with the results. And so the point is, yes, we have something in mind we want to reach, and it's good to have that vision of the future of what you desire, but it's what you do each day, each hour that really makes the biggest difference. And so if your goal is to be debt free this year, then it is what little practices when you go to the grocery store. Are you going to pay attention to the pricing more? Are you going to set a budget? Are you never going to put anything in your cart that wasn't on your list? If you're trying to lose weight, are you going to allow yourself maybe to have a sweet treat once a week or even once a month? Work toward those action steps that you can take almost every day. And one of the best ways to stay on track is to log or journal your daily progress. So whether you decide to just keep a journal and write down every day what you've done, or put it in a daily written calendar, or even in your digital calendar, or maybe print out a month at a glance and have little codes for your exercise, for your eating, practicing healthy self-talk. Write down every day when you practice those action items, when you actually accomplish those action items. And you will be amazed at what will start happening and how close you will start getting to that ultimate goal. Robyn and I would love to help you reach your health and weight loss goals in 2025. And one of the ways we're going to do that is to offer at a very deep discount our virtual 10-day Change Your Body Challenge. We decided to offer it on demand as a virtual program that is pre-recorded coaching sessions, as well as all the resources, eating plans, and all sorts of tools for you, because that way you can start whenever you're ready. We don't have to wait for one group to start all at once. And as an extra bonus this year, one of the things we're doing is giving you 1 month free membership to our Eat, Lift, Thrive Academy. You will get 8 live coaching sessions, group coaching sessions available to you in that month that you are participating for free. If you continue, we will offer you that membership at half price for, again, 8 coaching sessions, live coaching sessions every single month. That's only a couple dollars per coaching session. And right now until January 10th, you can save $20 off the 47 by using the coupon code that's included in the comments. Make 2025 your healthiest year ever.